Buenos dias, good morning, KD and KC. This is Miss Cruz with your math lesson for today, mini lesson for today. And today is Thursday, April 16 here of the year 2020. And the weather is sunny today. Again, we have a sunny day. Let's enjoy it. All right, seems like during the weekend we're not gonna have this sun out, so enjoy your sun today, the sun today. All right, we're gonna continue reviewing coins today. Today we're gonna focus in the dime, Mr. Dime, the 10 cents coin. Okay, let's begin with our video to review all 4 coins and their values.
And we jangle, you see us all around. In a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the 4 of us by name. 4 of us by name. I'm a President Lincoln penny, a coin that is worth 1 cent. When you save a lot of us, together we can be well spent.
I'm a shiny 5-cent nickel. President Jefferson is who you see. If you give someone 5 pennies,
You'll get back 1 of me. We jingle and we jangle, you see us all around. In a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the 4 of us by name.
I'm a very thin little dime with President Roosevelt's face. If you have 2 nickels or 10 pennies, then
They can take my place.
I'm a shiny George Washington quarter, the largest coin of the 4. I equal 1 nickel and 2 dimes, worth 25 cents at the store.
We jingle and we jangle, you see us all around. In a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the 4 of us by name. We jingle and we jangle, watch for us all around. Sometimes we are lost, but we are also often found. Now you know each coin by name, by value, and by face. Make sure to save us up and keep us in a safe place.
Very good, well done, nice review. And there we have our 4 different coins: pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. All right, today we're gonna focus on dimes first, and then we're gonna talk a little bit more about quarters. Okay, the dimes, let's review the dime. It's the tiniest coin of all the 4 coins, the US coins. And on the head side, we have President Roosevelt's face, okay? And this coin is also gray or silver, just as the nickel, which we saw yesterday. And on the tail side, you're gonna find a torch, okay, where you light up fire here, a torch, and 3 branches, one here, one to the left side, and one to the right. So we say the time on the tail side, it has a torch and 2 branches. It is not very common to see variations of dimes, this one is a very old one, so we say we don't have those variations like we see in the penny or in the nickel or actually in the quarters. Okay, and again, our value, the value of this coin is 10 cents. All right, 10 cents. Now remember, after this video, I want you to make your own picture of the dime. You're gonna find a dime at home and draw your own picture. Okay, draw your own picture of a dime. Try to make as many details as possible in your picture. Oops. Try to make as many details as possible. Okay, try to draw the face, the words that are in that coin. Try to all the letters, even some of them, or I should say all of them have a year where they were made, all that. Okay, and also write the name of the president that is on the head, and then what will we see on the tails part of the dime. Okay, don't forget to upload your picture in the Google Classroom document. All right, and we're gonna review now. Sorry, we're gonna review we're gonna also review the quarters. Okay, we're gonna review the quarters. Okay, we're gonna review the quarters. Very good. All right, now in this video we're gonna see the quarters. Okay, let's talk about the quarters now. The quarter. Okay, now the quarter, sorry, now the quarter, okay, we have President Washington's face on the head side of the quarter. Now this coin is the largest of all 4 coins, okay, that we have in the US, or the 4 common coins. We have President Washington's face, and then on the tail we have a bald eagle. All right, a bald eagle. Now the quarter is very special because it has a lot of variations. It has many variations out there. Okay, most of them has President Washington's face on the head, but then on the tail you can see all different type of variations on the tail side of the quarter. Okay, the common one, or the first one, was the bald eagle, but more in these days we'll see around like a quarter of each state, or a quarter of any particular celebration on the tail side of the quarter. Okay, again, this one is the larger of all the 4 coins, and it's also color gray. So we have 3 gray coins, quarters, nickels, and dimes, and 1 bronze or brown, I should say, coin, which is the penny. With this coin, we end up the review of coins, and again, the quarter is worth 25 cents. All right, now it's your turn to make a picture. I want you to draw a picture today for the dime and for the quarter. Okay, remember to make as many details as you can in the head side and as many details as you can in the tail side. Okay, and label what is on the head, label what is on the tail, and also the value and the name of the quarter in your picture. Okay, that's very important for your final work. Okay, and don't forget to turn in your pictures in the Google Classroom, okay, and turn it in. So I want to see all your beautiful pictures of the coins this week. All right, we've been drawing all 4 coins. We're gonna end up today with dimes and quarters. You have until tomorrow to finish this assignment. All right, and turn it in. The challenge for today and tomorrow is to learn how to upload your work in Google Classroom. Check out the video, it's out there. Okay, bye bye, see you.